Okay, we saw the video on Facebook about the girl who can get out of a zip tie. Jaden tried it and it took him 10 minutes the first time. This is going to be a second try, but this time we zip tied him behind his back. Can you show us? It's nice and tight, right, Jaden? Yes. All right. So in 10 seconds, we're going to go ahead and have you start timing, okay? And then we'll see how long it'll take you this time. Hopefully you can get it done really quick, okay? On your mark, go. You have to slide it down over your hips, buddy. There you go.
Oh, that really hurt when I did it.
Okay, sit on your butt and go. There you go. Very good, buddy.
Oh, I can't do this.
Yes, you can. You can do it. Oh, that is fine too, right?
Oh, yeah.
I think you can do it, though.
Oh, it's on my bracelets. That's why it's so tight.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's no big deal, but I'm a man.
Go ahead and loosen up those laces there, buddy.
I'm going to go faster this time.
We'll see.
Dang it, wrong movement. Oh, man, these bracelets.
Tight?
Yep.
That's how it would be if somebody actually did that to you, huh?
Yeah, well, I would probably not wear bracelets anymore.
You can do it, buddy. There you go. Make your lace longer so you can actually tie it easier, huh?
Yeah.
Do you know how much I want to jump in there and help you?
A lot?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh man, this is gonna be harder.
You gotta move it closer to your shoe. Move your shoe in. There you go. The other one. The other one looks longer, buddy.
It's fine. See? Oh wow. That just slipped out a lot.
You can do it, buddy.
This cricket sounds. Great idea, just to make it seem like I'm taking forever. Right?
That's nature.
Bugs. Well, I'm gonna do it. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Has it been a minute
do
yet?
Yes, it has been actually 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
2 minutes? Well, I just got it.
I'm sorry, it's, 2 minutes and 30 seconds now. Come on, buddy, you can do it.
Ow, ow, ah.
Make it cut.
Ah! Ah!
Come on, you can do it,
Oh,
buddy.
dang it, it's sort of coming through.
Yeah, remember, you gotta make that friction.
Ow, burn myself.
Go ahead and make that friction, buddy.
Without burning
What's
yourself?
more important, huh? Remember, keep it in the same spot.
Ow, 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 ow. I'm ruining my shoelaces.
Yeah, don't go over the knot. Just go over the regular shoelace, buddy.
Ah, no.
Keep going over the knot, buddy.
I know. Let me get back to my spot.
You're almost there. I see it.
Ow, 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 ow.
Come on, buddy. You can do it.
Oh, man. My side is longer.
Yep, try not to go to the knot.
A little area, you can go faster.
Yep. There you go. Show me, buddy.
Oh, look at those.
Yeah, show me the zip tie, buddy. And that's the nice thick one, huh?
Yes. Oh.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, man.
You know what? That was 4 minutes.
Really?
Yep, 4 minutes that time. So from 10 minutes the first time to 4 minutes the second time. Yeah, and this is to show you how tight that was on him, too. You can even see the little indentations. Let me...
Those will take a long time to go away.
No, it won't. Hold on. I'm trying to focus, buddy. It's not focusing well because you're... Yeah. Yep, you had that nice and tight on there, didn't you? Holy cow, buddy. You didn't tell me it was that tight.
I was trying to tell you.
All right, good job, buddy. So now you know how to escape if you ever get zip tied, right? All right, good job.
Thank you. Bye-bye.